Hi, I'm Andrew Dove. I'm a senior mechanical engineering student here at the University of Missouri. I'm also the president of the 3D Print Club. In the 3D Print Club, we have four project groups, and I'm going to walk you through those and so you get a better idea of what we do here. So, first project group is a large-scale 3D printer. We built a cubic meter sized 3D printer. It has a very large build area, so we're able to build things like a chair or kind of that size. So this has been a really fun project for us. It's kind of very elusive to print large things. Most hobbyist 3D printers are kind of limited to this, build size. So we're currently working on iterations on improving that large-scale 3D printer and making it even better and more reliable in the future. Our second project is Make Mizzou. We've kind of already finished this project up, but just for you to understand kind of what we do and kind of the thought process behind our projects. This is a collaboration between us and the Diversity Center. It's for visually impaired students, and it has little three-dimensional buildings that we 3D printed set on a map of campus with braille labels. So people can come across who are visually impaired and feel the buildings, read the braille labels, and kind of better understand our campus. We really like that project. It's kind of now wrapped up and gone into a final phase, but our third project is Prosthetics, so kind of along the same lines as the map project. What we have here is one of our first shells that we designed. So we prototyped and designed our own myoelectric prosthetic. So this is also in collaboration with a charity in India called Arogya Seva. So we're trying to design and manufacture low-budget prosthetics so we can ship over there and they can fit to people and test out, try to make a difference. So, and then our last project would be the beginners group. So if you're just coming in, you want to learn how to print, you don't know how to do it, and you really don't know where to get started, this is a great group for you. You can come in, we can take you back to our room and teach you how to use all of our software and do the process from beginning to end. It's really not very difficult, and we've had a lot of people do kind of their own projects. They've printed stuff for family members or friends. It's really just a great way to come in and learn, and a great way for us to train kind of the new generation of people who want to 3D print. So thank you for stopping by. My name is Andrew Dove. I'll see you later.